I don't know about you. Welcome back to the In Wheel Time Car Talk Show, by the way. I don't know about you, but way back in the day when I took driver's ed, one of the things that we had to learn was we had to learn hand signals.
You did.
But I already knew them because I had to take a test. Just go with this, okay? I had to take a test for a bicycle license, which was kind of stupid, but I had to go there and and take the test, you know, road rules, basically. It was a driving test for riding your bike on the street. This is way back when.
Yeah, way.
And one of the things was you had to learn your hand signals. I don't even know if kids know what a hand signal is other than the middle finger.
Cars, bikes, and motorcycles have hand signals.
Yeah.
And what happens when you need a hand signal? What do you do? Well, there's actually three, technically four, but there's three that we use all the time. So blinker failure, turn signal stop working. To make a lane change or signal your intentions to turn, your arm first has to start out. Hold that right there. Yeah. Has to start out the window. For a left turn, Don, your hand signal, simply stick your arm out the window straight. Keep it parallel to the ground with your palm facing downward. That's the left turn. For the right one...
Now, you're looking at this from behind.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Just want to make sure.
Because you're not going to signal a guy in front of you.
I'm just saying, because that picture is confusing.
Well, it's...
Go ahead.
I think it's a Nissan.
It's fine.
For the right turn, hand signal, the elbow should be bent at a 90-degree angle so that your fingers are toward the sky, your palm is facing forward, and your forearm is perpendicular to the ground. Although this is difficult to do if you're trying to go to the right with a car, it's over there, it's kind of hard to see, so just be careful, look over your shoulder. So what happens when your brake lights go out? If your brake lights or turn signals are temporarily inoperable, you know the correct hand signals, you can continue to operate your vehicle to a safe place. You may also need to know these, like Don said, in a test. The signal for slowing down or stopping should be used in the event of brake or light failure. The driver's left arm is extended out the window. The elbow is bent down this time, palm facing backwards, and your index fingers toward the ground. So that means you're going to slow down or stop. It's important to note that these signals are difficult to use at night, so be careful when driving at night. They may not always see you, so be careful of that. Cyclists and motorcycles, like we talked about, may have, they can use the right or the left side, so it doesn't matter to them because their body is open on that particular vehicle. Signaling to the right turn, stick your arm out right, to the left is out left. And these are all part of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration signals and the guides that they produce for motorcycles and bicyclists. So the same thing. Let's review. Let's do a final thought on this. So what do you do?
I like the girl that's screaming here with her right hand out the window.
I know. The final thought on this is to bend your left arm down. I'm sorry, take that back. The left arm out the window, bent down, the palm facing behind you to slow or stop. Left arm out extended, straight out the window, parallel to the ground with your palm facing downward for a left lane change. Left arm out the window, bent up at a 90-degree angle is a right turn. And, of course, cyclists and motorcyclists, you all have your workings to make safe lane changes. Look at that. That's my favorite right there. I use that one a lot.
Mine's usually just one finger.
Forget about it.
Forget about it. You know what
one finger pointing the direction you're going.
That's right. Yeah. You stay out of this, Mars. Because we know that you bring nothing good to the table when it comes to hand signals.
Exactly. He's got to put down his brown water.
All right. Time now on the...